USNR is a global leader in supplying the technical know-how, equipment, software, and automation technologies that processors rely on to efficiently transform wood into lumber, plywood, chips, fuel pellets, and more. Modern sawmills are incredibly high-tech. Logs weighing as much as a ton hurtle along USNR production lines at rates of 30 or more per minute. No two logs are exactly the same shape and size, so 3D laser scanners take precision measurements of each log. Sophisticated algorithms evaluate thousands of possible solutions to determine the way to extract the maximum value. In a fraction of a second, advanced control systems precisely rotate and align each log and shift saws and chippers into position, achieving dimensional accuracies of a few thousandths of an inch. Downstream, banks of servers analyze 3D laser scanner and machine vision data for up to 250 boards per minute. Artificial intelligence technology aids in identifying visual and structural defects. This information is used to automatically edge, trim, grade, sort, and stack the lumber. A modern sawmill produces enough lumber each year to build as many as 15,000 homes with barely a human touch, thanks to equipment and technology from USNR. In addition to our comprehensive sawmill offerings, we also supply a diverse array of advanced machinery, software, and sophisticated process control systems used to manufacture finished boards, plywood, LVL, cross-laminated timber, and other engineered wood products. USNR's Mid-South Engineering Business Unit offers additional expertise and leadership in designing paper mills, power cogeneration systems, biomass conversion processes, and other wood-based applications. This team of licensed professional engineers has collectively helped to put in place billions of dollars worth of plants and equipment. USNR's large and growing installed base fuels our parts business and drives equipment upgrades. We ship spare and replacement parts and send field service technicians to customer locations on 6 continents. Our focus on execution and high-touch customer support has resulted in growing aftermarket share. From developing concepts and assessing feasibility to supplying equipment, integrating process controls, coordinating construction and installation, commissioning completed systems, and supporting facilities throughout their life cycle, USNR has a full suite of products and capabilities to serve our customers around the world. Customers seek our expertise when they need to increase production volume, change product mix, improve fiber recovery and product quality, and reduce labor requirements and mill downtime. With more than 300 mechanical, electrical, software, civil, and structural engineers, USNR's technical expertise is unmatched among our peers. We trace our roots as far back as 1852, and since that time, USNR has introduced many transformative innovations. With more than 300 active or in-process patents, USNR has by far the most extensive and diverse intellectual property portfolio in the industry. USNR's facilities and support personnel are strategically located near customers in key wood products producing regions in North America and Europe. And we cover other important markets via long-term partnerships with well-established local representatives. USNR operates over 700,000 square feet of flexible manufacturing space across our 6 plants in the United States, Canada, and Sweden. We also work with an extensive network of highly qualified manufacturing partners, which allows us to quickly adapt to shifts in demand. In recent years, USNR has made significant capital investments in facilities and machine tools to increase our manufacturing capacity, reduce costs, and enhance quality. We've also retooled our state-of-the-art production processes to maximize throughput and flexibility. Over the last 50 years, USNR has been a leading force for consolidation in the industry, successfully completing over 18 acquisitions. A testament to USNR's skill as an integrator is the fact that every one of USNR's global operations is supported by centralized back-office systems, giving managers access to real-time granular data to run the business. Globally unified product data, communications platforms, and business processes maximize productivity and flexibility and give USNR an edge. USNR is a reliable, innovative, technology-driven company with the world's largest and most comprehensive portfolio of equipment, software, technologies, and services for the wood processing industry. Lumber, plywood, engineered panels, chips, fuel pellets, and more. The world's wood industry leaders rely on technology and know-how from USNR to keep them competitive. USNR. Millwide, worldwide.